You don't have to carry it all. You never did. The grief, the pressure, the invisible weight, they don't all belong to you. Sometimes healing looks like stepping outside, closing your eyes, and letting the breeze take something from your hands. Not everything has to be held. Not every burden is yours to bear. Let the pine trees remind you of stillness. Let the wind remind you how to release. You are allowed to rest, to exhale, to begin again, lighter. Subscribe to Soft Days Studio for more moments like this.